How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. And today I want to show you guys 3 of the best VPNs for the Firestick. So before we begin, if you guys are interested in any of these VPNs, you'll find links to pricing and discounts in the description down below, as well as full reviews if you'd like to learn more about these VPNs. Now, of course, using a Firestick VPN is the perfect way to make your Amazon Fire TV stick even more useful. And that's how you'll be able to enjoy the world's entertainment from wherever you can find an HDMI port. Many streaming sites block certain content in certain countries, and top services like BBC iPlayer, Hulu, and Peacock TV have tons of popular content that viewers worldwide are craving to watch, but you won't be able to really get access to those unless you use a VPN and connect to the correct server. And not just any VPNs. I mean, I tested a couple dozen VPNs, and these turned out to be the 3 best VPNs that are reliable enough really to always give you access to these streaming services and bypass all the geo restrictions no matter what service you're trying to access. Now, when choosing your Firestick VPN, the first thing to look for is native Firestick support. And all the VPNs here do support Firestick, but I just wanted to make sure that you guys know that right here, so on the ExpressVPN page, blog page rather, ExpressVPN is natively compatible with all Fire TV versions. But with regards to the Firestick, it's the 2nd generation and above. So I assume most of you have the 2nd generation and above with the Firestick. And if you don't, you're going to have to install your VPN on your router. And another thing you want to look out for when choosing a Firestick VPN is that you need to make sure it can unblock any and all streaming services you might want to watch. And these VPNs, all of them do unblock plenty of streaming libraries, including Hulu, Disney Plus, Amazon Prime Video, and about 18 Netflix libraries with ExpressVPN, 10 with Nord, and 15 with Surfshark. So plenty of options with regards to unblocking streaming services and libraries. You'll also get great speeds, which is always a plus, especially if you want to stream in 4K, and having good privacy credentials is also a big tick. While that might not be an absolute priority, when services like these top-rated VPNs combine privacy and security with ease of use and excellent streaming power and performance, it's always a good deal. It's also worth noting that all these VPNs are compatible with most devices, really. So if you sign up to any of these VPNs for your Firestick, keep in mind that you are able to secure other devices. So you'll be able to secure up to 5 devices with Express, 6 with Nord, and an unlimited number with Surfshark. So you are able to use this account on various other devices rather than just your Firestick. So keep that in mind so that you can make full use of your subscription, okay? And with regards to compatibility is not a problem with these VPNs. Just simply subscribe to one of these services, look up the VPN on your Firestick device and download it, and you're good to go. And these VPNs will have roughly the same user interface as you can see here. Very similar. Now, with ExpressVPN, you've got over 3,000 servers in 94 countries, and you've got plenty of locations all over the place, really. So you've got plenty of locations, be it in the States or Europe. There are many servers, and especially country locations within ExpressVPN. You've got over 5,400 servers in 60 countries with NordVPN and over 3,200 servers in 65 countries with Surfshark. And you do get basic security features if you're on your desktop or your mobile device or any other device that's not your smart TV or Firestick. You'll be getting security features to protect your devices, whereas on your Firestick, you're most likely going to need your VPN to simply change locations so that you can access other libraries and streaming services. Whereas if you're on your PC, you also get extra security features to help you with security and privacy. So just to be brief, the kill switch will stop your internet connection if the VPN disconnects unexpectedly. This will make sure that you're only going to be connected to the internet while you're secured by the VPN. Otherwise, you'll get cut off from the internet until you reconnect to the VPN or you disable the feature. Split tunneling will allow you to choose which applications are routed through the VPN and which are not. So this can be very useful. Let's say you want to stream from your PC using Google Chrome. You can only use your Google Chrome on the VPN while the rest of your connection is untouched by the VPN tunnel. So this is a very useful feature, and it exists within all the other other VPNs, be it Nord or Surfshark. So yeah, if you want to learn more about these VPNs, again, you'll find links to the full reviews in the description down below. I'll give you more of an in-depth look into the privacy policy, speed streaming and torrenting capabilities, as well as security and features. You'll also find links to pricing and discounts in the description down below. All I wanted to reassure you guys, I just wanted to let you guys know that these VPNs are really some of the best VPNs you can get for your Fire Stick. So yeah, definitely give them a try. They do have a 30-day money-back guarantee if you are not satisfied for whatever reason with any of these services. They do have live chat support, which is available at the bottom right of each one of these respective VPN websites if you'd like to claim your refund or if you have any other questions for them. So that'll be it for this video. Comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.